I'm Eric Plyler, and I am the music specialist here at Norris Elementary, and I've been with the district for 9 years. The thing I love most about being a music teacher is getting to be right there with the students, helping them learn, experiencing those things for the first time for them. And it's crazy how many times they will share something or do something or say something that I've never thought of before. And so it even creates new pathways for me too, of thinking about different things and solving problems and trying new things musically. And so I think that's my favorite part about this is getting to experience the music with the kids with just different ways of thinking. I originally wanted to do piano performance, but whenever I was in college, I was spending so much time alone practicing, and I really found a lot of joy actually getting to spend time with my colleagues, studying and helping them with some of our music classes that were a little bit more difficult. And through that, I found my love of teaching and got to go and observe a few music classrooms. And growing up homeschooled, I really never knew what the elementary music classroom looked like, and so through my observations I got to see just the amount of fun and learning that got to happen, and I just really fell in love with it then. Here at Norris with my students, we get to cover all kinds of things like the music instrument families. We get to cover music theory. We explore music through movement and just different techniques with our body that, the emotional side of music is such a large area to discover. So we talk about how it affects our daily lives and how we can use music to change our environment and everything. So depending on the grade level, it really it flows differently. Music education is really important for students because it helps them actually regulate their emotions. It helps them have an outlet to be able to express different emotions, whether that be through an instrument or singing or even composing. And I think it's really important for us as a culture that we share this wonderful gift of music together. It's just a great gift that we can help just give other people. And it's a lot of work, it's a lot of rehearsal, it's a lot of preparing and planning, but it all makes it worth it when we get to see the people's faces light up as we perform or sing for them. And, it's a great tool to help bring people together.